What's going on, guys? I'm Gabe Ocean with nicekicks.com here with another unboxing for you guys to check out, and this one just might be the best unboxing I've ever had the opportunity to do. Usually I don't always get to unbox shoes that I receive personally. When I walked into work Monday morning, I saw that we got a huge box. I was like, who is this from? Sure enough, Jordan Brand sent everybody in the office a pair of shoes ranging from the Westbrook Why Not 0.2s to JB's latest homage of the Band 1. But the shoe that I got is probably the best shoe that I've ever received, the rarest of 2019 so far, and maybe the entire year. Can't wait to show you guys. With that said, let's see what I'm talking about. In front of me, we have Jordan Brand's new Flight Utility Box. So, got a two-toned black up top, cardboard unfinished on the bottom, which is kind of like a flip of the 90s Jordan box era, where it was kind of colored on the bottom and cardboard up top. Speaking of the top, we've got Jumpman and a 000 with a 23, destined for flight in this bottom right corner. Like I said, this is straight from Jordan Brand, so it's got that manufacturer white label on it. Not gonna say what shoe it is just yet. Shout out to the Jordan Flight Utility. We've got coordinates on the box. I'm gonna look that up, tell you guys what that is. Jumpman logo. Other side of the box, another Jumpman 00023. We'll pop the top. Not gonna show it just yet. Again, Jumpman 00023, inspired by greatness, destined for flight. Inside the box, we have none other than the Ma Maniére. Maniére? Ma Maniére. I'm gonna look that up.
Ma Maniére.
Jordan Proto-Max 720, Atlanta Knights. Oh my. Feast your eyes on that bad boy. Woo! If you know what's what in the ATL, you probably saw T.I. wearing these in the Collab's official unveiling of this shoe's photo shoot. I saw it as well. I wanted to get me a pair, but like T.I. says, you can have whatever you like. That wasn't the case for this shoe because only 230 pairs were released, and sure enough, I was lucky enough to get a pair. So thank you to Jordan Brand on this. As for the shoe itself, there's a lot going on, from the tech to the nostalgia to the design to the style points. Man, this shoe is crazy. Starting on the tech side of things, we gotta start at the bottom. The first thing that stands out on this shoe, to me at least, is the Air Max 720 bubble. It's a size 13, so this is even more air. My bag is different. We got a blacked out air unit sitting on top of a glow-in-the-dark outsole featuring Air Max and the Jumpman logo. Too clean. So moving up to the midsole, we see the nostalgic touch on the shoe. On the midsole, if you look closely, it kind of resembles the Air Jordan 3 midsole. And up on the Velcro strap, we have a modern take of the Air Jordan 1 Wings logo. So if you don't notice these things off top and you don't really know about it, you wouldn't even notice that they put that and like integrated it into the shoe, which I think is really cool. Then up top on the upper, we see 3M throughout, reminiscent of the Air Jordan 5's tongue, or of course, the Air Jordan 5 Lab 3. From there, it gets tactical. On the tongue, we have a ripstop nylon. The inner booty for a snug fit. I love the inner booty. I wish they would use the inner booty more. Like, I like a sock-like fit. I like the fly knit and stuff like that, but if you put an inner booty on a shoe, bruh, extreme comfort. Another interesting thing on the design aspect of this shoe are the eyelets, as they run all the way up the shoe and around the ankle. And as for the
Ma Maniére,
they put their stamp on the shoe as well, with the My Way on the Velcro strap and the A over everything on the Air Max 720 bubble on the back of the shoe. Now these released back on March 16th at the Ma Maniére Atlanta boutique, so the only way you could have copped these was then, which they are sold out, or you can see them in this video. So with that being said, I love them. I'm glad I got them. Shout out to Jordan Brand. And but let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I do talk back to people, or you can hit me up on Instagram at NiceKicksGabe or the Nice Kicks account. I'm always in the comments. So let me know what you think. And this has been another Nice Kicks unboxing. I'm Gabe Ocean, telling you to like, share, and subscribe. Talk to me, and stay tuned for more from Nice Kicks. Thanks for watching.